The majority of window and door frames are fitted with drainage holes. It's important to ensure that drainage holes remain clear and clean, as they perform the important job of draining water away from the inside of the frame. Simply keep the bottom of the frame clean by brushing or vacuuming dirt and debris away, and occasionally using something like a pipe cleaner to check that the drainage channel inside the frame is clean. Test the channel is clear by pouring a small amount of water into the threshold and checking that it drains away on the outside of the frame. Water will often be seen at the bottom of the frame, known as the threshold, after it's rained. Whenever you open the door, water may shake itself loose from the drip bar outside at the bottom of the door. This is quite normal and acceptable, as it will drain away or evaporate over time. Ensuring that the threshold is clean and the drainage works properly will help to reduce pooling. Visit our showroom in Barry, where you can browse a range of products, including several spectacular glass designs and a range of the UK's best and most secure windows and doors. Visit www.cardiffandvaleglazing.co.uk or call 02921 150 585 to book your appointment.